wherein we did few questions based on the calculation of new PSR and the gaining and sacrificing ratios as well, right? And I think I
Yes,
have
sir.
given you one question for homework as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, tell me if you have any doubt, any problem solving, anything, or
No, sir.
within. No. So I gave question number 6, and I think question number seven as well for your homework.
Yes, sir.
Just
I
tell
did
me
the
you
question
tried.
7, but
Mhm.
I think I lost the question number 6, the screenshot, so I couldn't do it.
Okay. No issues. Just tell me the correct answer of question number 7.
I got rupees 20,000.
Navita's share of profit will be 20,000. Just a minute, let me check. Yeah, that's right. 20,000 is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, since you lost question number 6, so I just want you to try this one right now. Okay, question number
Okay,
6.
sir.
Just solve this question. Let me know the answer.
Done, sir.
Tell me the answer, Emma.
New ratio is 7:3.
New ratio, sorry, 7.
7:3.
Yes, that is right. 7:3 is the correct answer. Well done, very good. All right, now moving on to the next question. Let's start with question number 8. Anil, Sunil, and Hari were partners sharing profit equally. Sunil died on 31st December 2020 in terms of the partnership deed. Accounts were prepared for the period ended 31st December, and net profit was determined at rupees 6 lakh. Pass the journal entry for the period for the profit share of the partners. Okay, so however, this question requires journal entry. I just want you to calculate, I just want you to determine the share of profit for all the partners. Then I'll show you how to pass the journal entry in this case. All right, will you be able to determine the profit of the partners?
Yes, sir.
Just calculate it.
Sir, is the profit share 2 lakh for 3 of them?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, that is right. Okay, let me show you how the journal entry will be done in this case. Just a moment. See, journal entry in this case will be journal entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debited 6 lakh to Anil, Sunil and Hari. To Anil, to Sunil, to Hari's account. Each of them will get 2 lakh each. Okay, and we'll write down the narration as being profit distributed among the partners, including the deceased partner. Okay, so this is the journal entry. Now you need to understand one important thing here. We are debiting in this while passing the journal entry. You can see we have debited P&L appropriation account. Does this mean that whenever profit is to be distributed among the partner, we will always debit the P&L appropriation account? Answer is no. We cannot debit P&L appropriation every time. See, whether we should debit the P&L appropriation account or not, that depends upon the date on which the partner have died. Let's suppose our accounting year start from 1st of April, assuming 1st of April, and it ends on 31st of March, right? Next year. So if one of the partner is dying on the last working day of the accounting year, let's suppose B died on 31st of March. Then when on the date when he died, till that date we already have prepared the P&L account. P&L appropriation account is prepared since B is dying on the last working day, and on the last working day it is assumed that we must have prepared all the books of account. That means we must have also prepared the P&L appropriation account. Now when it comes to the distribution of profit, what do? We simply distribute the profit from the profit and loss appropriation account, and therefore we debit the P&L appropriation account and transfer the fund to the capital account of the respective partners, capital account of the partners, Anil, Sunil and Hari, right? But P&L appropriation account cannot be debited in a situation wherein partner have died in between the accounting year. Let's suppose partner have died on, let's suppose B died on this date, assuming this is 15th of November or any other date, 15th of September, right? He is not dying on the last working day. So when on this date when he died, we are yet to prepare the P&L appropriation, right? Books of
Yes.
account is not yet finalized, and since the books of account is not yet finalized and we need to show the distribution of the profit among the partners, then which account need to be debited, which account should be debited? The question arises, which account should be debited, because P&L appropriation account is not yet prepared. So in such a situation, we just debit the suspense account. We write it as profit and loss suspense account debited. Profit and loss suspense account debit to the partner's capital account. Got it? So whether
Yes.
we will be debiting the P&L appropriation account or not, or we are debiting the P&L suspense account, that depends upon the date on which the partner is dying. If he is dying on the last working day, we assume that most of the books of account is already prepared and P&L appropriation account is also prepared. So we can simply debit the P&L appropriation. Otherwise, we will have to debit the P&L suspense account. Okay. Moving on to question number 9. I want to try this. I want you to try this question as well. Question 9. A, B, and C are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. B died on 31st of June, 30th of June for the year ended 31st of March 2020. To proportionate net profit of 2021 is to be taken into consideration. During the year ended 31st of March 2022, bad debt of rupees 2000 had to be adjusted. Profit for the year ended 31st of March 2020 was 14,000 before adjustment of the bad debt. Calculate B share of profit till the date of his death.
Sir, what does proportionate profit mean?
Proportionate profit means that we have to see here, we need to find out the B share of profit, and B share of profit need to be determined for the proportionate period only. That means for that period only for which B actually served the firm. So see, B died on 30th of June. So that means before dying, he must have actively participated in the activities of the firm, assuming from 1st of April till the 30th of June, right? How many months are there? 3 months. So he actively participated for 3-month period in the firm, right? So tell me
Yes.
how much profit he need to he will share profit that is proportionate to the 3-month period only. So basically we will have to first of all find out the total profit of the entire year, and then we will do the we will find out the proportionate profit of the 3-month period only. Why? Because B only served in the firm for the period of 3 months. Therefore, we will find out the proportionate profit. Got it? Is this clear? The meaning of the proportionate
Yes, sir.
profit?
Yes.
Solve it. And also pass the general interview in this question. Also.
Sir, is B share 1000?
Yes, Aman, that is right. Good job. Okay. So this is how we need to present this. This is the solution of the. I'm sure you must have solved this way as well.
Yes, sir.
Total profit of the firm for the year is 14,000 before adjusting bad debt, right? And we will subtract the bad debt out of it. That is 2,000, and we will be able to calculate the profit of the firm after adjusting the bad debt. That is 12,000, and then we will calculate the proportionate profit of the firm for 3 month period only, since we served for 3 months in the firm. So we will multiply it by 3 by 12. We will get 3,000, and then 3,000 multiplied by the B share of profit. We will be able to get the B share of profit, and then finally we will pass the general entry as. Could you please tell me the general entry for this, for the B share of profit? Amen.
Sir, no idea.
No idea. See, because it is a profit, we need to credit B's account, right? And since
Yes.
he died between the before ending the accounting year, right?
Yes.
So that means we have to debit P&L appropriation account or suspense account.
Suspense account.
Correct. So this is the general entry for this, being sorry, profit and loss suspense account debit to B's capital account, and we can write down the relation as being profit transfer. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Moving on to the next question. Question number 10. I want you to try this question as well. Read the question carefully and tell me the answer. You need to find out the Hari's share of profit as well as pass the journal entry.
Sir, are they three sharing the profits equally?
Yes, Aman. Whenever it is not specifically mentioned in the question, we will simply presume that they are equal partners.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it 10,000?
10,000. Okay, just let me check. Yes, that is right. 10,000 is the correct answer. See, this is the solution. Average, you calculated the average profit like this, na? 110
Yes,
plus
sir.
120 plus 130 divided by 3, we got 12, 12 lakh, 1 lakh 20,000, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 lakh 20,000. And then 1 lakh 20,000 into 3 by 12 to find out proportionate profit of 3 months. And then to find out the B share of profit, we multiplied with the B share of profit 1 by 3. So that is 10,000. And the general entry for this will be,
P&L suspense account debit to Harry's capital account.
yes, to Hari's capital account. Just a minute. Hari. All right. So moving on to the next question. Please solve this one as well. X, Y, and Z were partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3 to 2 to 1. Y died on June 30th June 2021. Profit for the first year from first year till 30th June is already given and calculated, 3,60,000. X and Z decided to share the future profit in the ratio of 3 to 2 respectively with effect from 1st July 2021. Pass the necessary general entries to record the Y share of profit only up to the date of death. Done, Aman?
No, sir.
What are you calculating now?
Sir, gaining ratio.
Good.
Done, sir.
Done. Tell me the journal entry.
X's capital account debit, Z's capital account debit to Y's capital account, 36,000, 84,000, and 1,20,000.
36, then?
84,000.
Right, okay. Right, that is the correct answer. Just a minute. See, this is how we will determine Y share of profit. Na? 2 by 6 into 3,60,000. We will get Y share of profit as 1,20,000. Right? And
Yes, sir.
since Y need to, since the old partners are willing to continue and they are changing the PSR, so we will have to determine the gaining and sacrificing ratio and accordingly pass the journal entry. Right? Gaining partners account will be debited to the outgoing, the death, dying partner. Right. So the when you will calculate the gaining and gaining share, you will get 3:7. And then
Yes.
we will pass the general entry X capital account, Z capital account to Y capital account, right? Amen?
Yes, sir.
Good job. Next question.
Done, sir.
All right, Aman. Tell me the journal entry.
P&L suspense account debit 50,000 to Rita's capital account 50,000.
Very good. All right. I think you have no issue solving any question. Okay, that's great. Very good. All right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 13.
Done, sir.
Yeah, okay. Tell me the entry.
Manoj's capital account debit 20,000 to P&L suspense account 20,000.
That's right. All right. So I think we discussed. Let me check if I have any other question available. All right. So this is it, Aman. This is it for today. We'll discuss few more different type of question in the next class. But I have no other question since this is